Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And yep, Bitcoin is going to zero.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
No guys, I'm just kidding. It's not going to zero at all. In fact, we actually may get a correction soon, and this is obviously a little bit of speculation that I want to share with you guys first. But yeah, in my opinion, on the weekly time frame, money flow is starting to cross over into the red at the moment. Even though the momentum waves are starting to curl back up, you know, as we could see, they were curling back up here in 2018 on the weekly, but eventually we had a huge momentum wave go all the way down here, and that pushed us down to new lows, which caused, you know, a 50% decline in the price. Now let's just get into a little bit of speculation here. So back in 2014, we saw that once the money flow crossed over to the red on market cipher B over here, it took us 12 bars or 84 days to reach Bitcoin's bottom, which was, you know, a 58% decline or 50% decline, if you will, depending on where you measure from the line there, from the money flow cross, and that was a 56% decline. Now in 2018, we had another 50% decline after the money flow crossed into the red, and that took us 8 bars, so 4 less bars or 4 less weeks than 2013 or 2014. Now these are the weekly, that's why it's these are the weekly time frames, so every candle represents a week. So 8 bars would be four less weeks than 2014, and that took us 56 days to find a bottom, and we declined 50%. Again, once again, another 50% drop. Now we're in 2022, and we are about to cross into the red money flow. And if we keep, you know, repeating the pattern, you know, saying, let's say we decrease by another 4 bars, that will leave us with 4 weeks or 28 days. So are we going to bottom out? Are we going to get a 50% drop within the next 28 days? Are we going to go from 38,000 all the way down? Oh, that's too much. All the way down to 19,000? It's quite possible that we do that, right? It's very possible, considering what's going on in the world. You know, as you can see, traditional markets selling off once again. Nasdaq down over 3.5% today. Dow Jones down 2.3%. S&P 500 down 2.95%. You have rising inflation, rising rates as well. If gold starting to rocket up, 1989 now, and gold and Bitcoin have an inverse correlation. So when gold starts to go up, you can see Bitcoin, it starts to decline. As you can see, gold right here starting to rally very hard up to new all-time highs. Not new all-time highs, but, you know, some local highs. We reached $2,000 today and yesterday, so 2 days in a row we reached $2,000. So let's get back into Bitcoin right here, and I just want to know, in another area of speculation, this doesn't mean anything. This was just some stuff I was thinking about yesterday and doing a little bit of analysis. We could see that in 2014 we reached in 2014, when the money flows crossed into the red, we saw that it took us 48 bars or 46 weeks to cross back into the green money flow. Now in 2018, we saw that it took us 36 bars or 252 days to cross back into the green money flow. We did get that small period where we went back into the red, but overall we continued on into the green money flow for the weeks to come. And let's say we get another 10 bar decrease, and then it's possible that, you know, we get another a phase where Bitcoin goes into the red money flow for 182 days. So it's possible that, you know, we stay in the red money flow less and less, you know, and we start to drop quicker and quicker. So this could be a great buying opportunity for Bitcoin if we do drop to 19,000 or let's say 14,000. Depends how much we drop. If we do drop, again, there's a big news coming out this week for Bitcoin and crypto as far as sanctions regarding Russia and stuff like that. So we're just gonna have to see what Joe Biden has to say. Anyways, guys, let's get into a little bit of analysis. Just want to let you guys know I'm going to be posting this chart in the Google Sheet and in the Discord for the gold members. So if you guys want to see these charts, definitely join the Discord. Anyways, right now Bitcoin's starting to come back up. Right now 38,682. We're starting to get a little bit of a pump at the moment, and you know, if we are in the green resistance box right now, or support box if you will, but right now Bitcoin is at resistance once again, getting rejection at 39,500. We dropped all the way down to 37,300 today. We're starting to come back up right now. Let's see if we get a big pump to maybe 42,000. That would be great. Probably enter some short positions at that point. But yeah, on the weekly time frame, looking pretty bad. On the daily time frame though, you can see that the money flow is still in the red. The momentum waves are starting to go down. We're taking a little bit of a breather right now, you know, from that 19 and a -3 down to a 12 and a -2. So it's possible we start to slow down, maybe trend sideways before we have a big drop. But we're just gonna have to see what happens. A lot of people are starting to bet on new all-time highs, and this was the bottom and that's it. But I'm not so sure right now, and if that's the case, then so be it. That's great. Again, we're holding for the long term. If we go up, then that's great. We're still holding a lot of Bitcoin. Anyways, right now oil's at $121 a barrel, gold at 1988. We reached 2,000 yesterday night, and we reached 2,000 today as well. We reached 2,000, and then we saw a lot of selling pressure there. Tech stocks are getting killed once again. Not surprising, in my opinion. As an entire sector gets killed, what's making new all-time highs are my stocks that I recommended in my portfolio in the Crypto Mickey Discord. So if you guys want to see what I'm holding, what I'm investing in, as everyone else is starting to lose money, I'm making 52 weeks highs while everyone else is making 52-week lows. So feels good to be right. Anyways, let's get back into it. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum getting rejected once again at 26.24. If we start to come down even more, you're going to see some support, like I said yet before, 2400 and 2300. And if we break those supports, we still have some major support coming in at 1771 and 1419. Also, you can take a look at this chart as well. Major support coming in at 1831 as well for Ethereum. So for the time being, I'm still in the short term quite bearish, but in the long term I am very bullish. So if you guys haven't already, definitely join the Crypto Mickey Discord, help support the channel. And as we can see right here, we did get rejected pretty hard from the 21 weekly moving average. Anyways guys, thank you so much for your support. Let me know what you think of the charts in the comments of this little theory that I've thought up. But yeah, maybe it's not new, I don't know. I just started to look at the charts yesterday, so let me know what you guys think. Peace guys.